So hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today in this video we will learn something about generators in Python. So generators are some type of iterables like some sort of list, but generators don't allow indexing, unlike to list, because in list I already explained that there are index for each and every item in the list, but here in generator they don't allow indexing. So let's just write some code. Let's just say we want to generate some numbers in a range of 5. So let's just do that by using generators. So at first we will just define our function and name it function itself, and we will not pass anything. And here we just name our variable counter or 0. So this counter variable will keep track of our while loop, and here inside the while we will generate some numbers uh, in range 5. So here you can see now you just have to type a yield statement which will generate our numbers in this range. So you simply have to type yield yield, and then in front of it just type counter. So and here at the end, each and every time our loop execute, we will just increment our counter by 1. So this is our function which will generate some numbers, and here to print our numbers in our generator, we will just use for loop for that, and for x in range function print x. So here in the output you can see 5 numbers are printed in range 5 from 0 to 4. So this is how generators are basically used to generate numbers. But here you will be wondering that what you can do with generators. So with generators you can also create a list in Python. So let's just again take one example to understand it in a better way. Let's just say we want to make one list of even numbers inside it with the help of generator again. So let's just define a function even numbers, and here pass x, again for loop, and again let's just write one condition for our number to be even, which is simple. And here let's just now yield our I by writing the yield statement, just like that. Sorry, I just forgot typing in here. Yes, now it is okay. And here we have just written our yield statement also. And now, as I already said, we want to create our list of even numbers. We want to print that list. So inside our print we will just write our list function, and inside our list function we will write our even numbers function. And let's just say we want to print our list of even numbers up to 20. So here we will pass 21 so that it will just print our even numbers. So here when I hit the buttons, you can see here in the output our list of even numbers up to here 20 is printed here in the output. So this is how you can also use generators to create list in Python. So you have to do nothing, just use some basic loops. You define a function and then you will have to use some loops like for loop or while loop, and then you have to write one condition and then at last the yield statement, and your generator is ready. So this is how you can just use that when you just design some complex applications. So I hope your concept regarding it are clear, and thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video.